Hello guys, for another video. Why a lot of people work on branch and demand business. They can make sales on multiple platforms like Redbubble, Cheappublic, but they not have any sales on merch by Amazon. In this video I will show you why 99% of people work on Amazon merch fail. For the new people here, this is your friend Sad. I run this channel uploading daily videos about making money online with branch and demand business by giving you daily tips and tricks help you to improve your shop, increase your sales and scale your branch and demand business. So if you're interested in this field, be sure you smash that red button and check my previous videos on this channel for more information. So let's get started. First of all, Amazon Merch is not like other branch and demand platforms. This is Amazon guys, and you compete with designers that have years on this domain. Also you will compete companies, not only individual designers. If you want to compete on Amazon Merch, you must first set up a low price on your t-shirts. We all know the client of Amazon not the same client of Etsy. Amazon have regular clients, most of them look for the price first. So if you want to choose $19.99, I suggest at least to have the tier 10,000 to set up 19 and more, because then you will test the market and the niche you work on it. Because if you work on a niche and all your competitors use $15 or $16 per shirt and you only one who have $19 or $20 per shirt, probably the user can ignore your shirts. A lot of people have only the tier 10 or 25 and they set up $19.99 for their t-shirts. For on a niche have 1000 results. Believe me, you will not sold any unit. At the beginning, don't look for profit or money. The first thing you must think about is how you can cheer up to 1000 at least. When you reach your goal, then you will have the freedom on your work and you can upload the idea you want, and also you can test the prices of each product. And Amazon Merch have a good strategy. It's like each time you cheer up on Amazon, Amazon trusts you and also you trust yourself. And that of course will generate daily sales and great profit for you. And there is a lot of people stuck in the tier 10 because they set up a profitable price in the beginning and they focus on profit and make money. And of course that is not good. You will stay at the tier 10 for a long time if you do that. Some people will say that if you lower the price, may you make your shirt look cheap, and the people may think that this is a trash shirt or something like this. And that's not true, because 18% of people scroll on Amazon look for product to buy, and most of them filter their price from the low to high. It's mean most of people search for good products with the cheapest price. Also, when you set up a low price for your shirts, probably the shirts will sold a lot of time and get more reviews, and Amazon will recommend your shirt for more visitors, and after you can hire the price of your shirt. This strategy I use it as myself, and a lot of people use it as well on Amazon Merch. And a lot of people upload designs they like, and this is a huge mistake you must avoid. When you stuck on a low tier, focus on trends. The trends sold fast and you can cheer up fast than you can expect. So don't upload a design you like. Focus on the people needs and always make good quality designs. And don't give up. Just stay disciplined, because a lot of people expect that just make a design, enter a good title and tags, you can be successful in this business. And because of that, a lot of people shocked and they feel frustrated when they not make any sales. In the end, they gave up early. Just to remind you guys, the branch and demand business in general is for a long term. It's not like dropshipping or freelancing. You must work hard, make the possibility of designs you can, and wait. So make good quality design, set up a low price at the beginning, focus on trends, don't give up, and I guarantee you will have a lot of sales in the next months if you discipline, of course. So guys, this is the end of this video. If you like it, give it a like, and don't forget to enjoy our Facebook group, the link in the description below, and you can comment any topic you want me to do a video about it, and see you in the next video.